If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in PUBG, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Go to your game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. and check for any available updates. Install them and try launching the game again. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using Steam, right-click on PUBG in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for and repair any corrupted files. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game. Sometimes high graphics settings can cause loading issues, especially on lower-end hardware. Launch the game and adjust the settings to see if it resolves the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.